welcome Rod from RK Detailing, and of course from the sister channel, Self-Educated Entrepreneur. And today we're doing a promotional giveaway for both channels. And that is both channels competing to see who gets to 1,000 subscribers first. With that, we're giving away this complete set: odor eliminator, bug removal, car wash, ceramic detailer, tire shine, 2 microfiber towels, and a new wash bucket. All this shipped to you on whatever channel hits 1,000 subscribers first. We are very appreciative of you taking time out of your day to view our content, like it, and subscribing to the channels. Therefore, if you could help us grow even a little more to get to that 1,000 subscribership, like, subscribe, and share. Get it out, get the word out. And of course, if there's a topic that you want us to look into and talk about on Self-Educated Entrepreneur, please feel free to comment over there. And of course, if there's something here at the detailing side that you want to see filmed or know a little more about, of course, comment, let us know. We're open to suggestions. We just don't want to be a tight-knit, straightforward structure. We also want to get some feedback from you folks. Of course, we want this to be an interacting and community for both channels. Until next time, stay safe, continuing working hard on your side hustle, and continuing educating yourself.